Hello, fellow traders. So, like somebody mentioned, even if you are bearish or bullish in Bitcoin, we are all in this together. So, um, having another opinion, it's always good. I'm just voicing up my 2 cents, and my 2 cents says that even if this becomes strategic reserve for the United States, I don't think you'll start that until it at least crashes a bit until March. Maybe that just makes more sense for somebody who would keep buying at this level, right? I knew a lot of money was coming in from China to kind of circumvent the banking system. You just buy Bitcoin there and just sell it in the United States, and that's it. And a lot of Europe money is coming through this too. But that does not mean that this will keep going up. So on the monthly, we have a panic. We had direction change here. So if at the end of the month we close below this, then you're confirmed, right? So people say, what about the weekly? Well, the weekly we did not take the high of this bar. So you know, typically that means the next one is a move down. And on a daily, we failed to take out two reversals. We keep bouncing off of this one. So, and we finally took it out, right? Um, I'm still thinking this will go short. I made the video here, but I was wrong. And I did short it through MicroStrategy because I think that's a good leverage. But again, do your own research and put a stop loss in case you're trading this on the buying at this level. I would definitely not recommend buying it at this level. Shorting, yes, but short maybe you can get taken out, and I will provide the channels at what level it can go up. So good luck.